How to get the Spotify receipt. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get the Spotify receipt, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get the Spotify receipt, there could be two types of receipts that you are talking about. The first receipt is that of maybe your top tracks, top albums, and the top artists that you listen to on Spotify. The other type of receipt could be the payment receipt that you're talking about that you've ever made for Spotify. And to view either of these, of course, we won't be able to do it from the native Spotify app, so instead we want to open up our browser. To get started with the first procedure, which is to actually find the receipt for our top tracks and albums, go to receiptify.herokuapp.com. As I said, I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below, and when you come to this website, tap the login with Spotify option and make sure to sign into your Spotify account. Once you sign into the Spotify account, right here you'll be able to see top tracks, artists, and so on. Just select for which you want the receipt to be downloaded, and right under it you'll be able to see all of the artists that you listen to on Spotify. Once you've done that, tap the download option in order to download that receipt for yourself. The other type of receipt that you could be talking about could potentially be the payment receipt or the subscription ones. And to view that, just head over to the new tab and then go to spotify.com. Again, make sure that you're signed in, of course, and then you want to make sure to tap the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Once here you'll find view account button. You want to make sure to tap the view account option, and right under it you'll find account overview. Just tap the account overview tab, and then here you'll find this option known as receipts. You want to make sure to tap on it, and then when you go to the receipts tab, you'll be able to view all of the receipts that you've ever made for this Spotify app. This way you'll be able to get the Spotify receipt, and these are the two potential receipts that you could be talking about for Spotify account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.